Welcome, nutrition navigators. Ever wondered why your grandma always insisted on a bowl of oats for breakfast? Or why fitness enthusiasts swear by them? Well, let's just say, they're not having oatmeal parties for nothing. Oats are like that quiet student in the back of the class who surprisingly tops the exams. They pack a punch of benefits that can amp up your health in ways you might not expect. From being champions of heart health to promoting a happy gut, oats are the superheroes of the breakfast table. But like every superhero, they too have their kryptonite. Yes, we're talking about potential downsides, but don't fret just yet, these cons are more like little speed bumps on the highway to health. So buckle up as we take a joyride through the nutritious landscape of oats, unveiling their powers and pitfalls. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of oats and their impact on our health. Oats sound like a superhero's breakfast, don't they? And for good reasons. Let's explore some of the amazing benefits of these humble grains. Firstly, oats are the heart's best friend. Why? Because they contain a type of fiber called beta-glucans. Imagine beta-glucans as little brooms sweeping away bad cholesterol from your arteries. By doing this, they help in lowering the risk of heart disease. So you see, oats are not just food, they're a heart protective force field. Now let's talk about your gut health. Oats, with their rich soluble and insoluble fiber content, are like a spa treatment for your digestive system. They promote regular bowel movements and foster a healthy gut microbiota. It's like a party in your gut, and fiber from oats is the life of that party. Moving on to blood sugar control. Being a low glycemic index food, oats are like a steady, reliable friend who doesn't let your blood sugar levels go on a roller coaster ride. This is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes, making oats a sweet, no sugar added friend. And what about weight management? High in fiber, oats are like a magic potion that increases feelings of fullness. They help reduce the tendency to overeat, making them a great ally in your weight management journey. They're like a gym trainer encouraging you to say no to that extra slice of pizza. Lastly, let's not forget the nutrient-rich profile of oats. They're a good source of essential vitamins, minerals like manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, and iron, and antioxidants. Imagine oats as a mini multivitamin pill, but in a delicious breakfast-friendly form. So, oats are not just another boring breakfast option, they're like a health insurance policy that you eat. They're your heart's ally, your gut's best friend, your blood sugar stabilizer, your weight management mentor, and your multivitamin supplement. Now who wouldn't want to start their day with such a superhero meal? Remember, every spoonful of oats is a step towards better health, and that's a step worth taking. But wait, before you start replacing every meal with oats, let's talk about a few caveats. Just like how every superhero has their kryptonite, oats too have their downsides. First off, you've got gluten contamination. Oats are often processed with gluten-containing grains. Now, if you're someone with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, you might be saying, oh, oat no. This cross-contamination can be a real pain in the gut. Then there's the case of phytic acid. Oats are a bit like a double agent. On one hand, they're packed with essential minerals, but on the other, they contain phytic acid, which can interfere with our body's absorption of these minerals like zinc, iron, and calcium. It's like being offered a delicious sundae only to have someone snatch away your spoon. Speaking of sundaes, let's talk about toppings. Oats themselves are nutritious, but pile on the honey, nuts, and dried fruit, and you might just be spooning up a calorie bomb. It's like dressing up for a casual outing and ending up looking like you're attending the Met Gala. Now, a sudden increase in fiber intake from oats can lead to some, let's say, uncomfortable situations. Think bloating, gas, and changes in bowel habits. Not exactly the best conversation starter, eh? Lastly, oats contain goitrogens, which can potentially meddle with thyroid function. However, this is usually not a concern unless your diet is as monotonous as a broken record player. Remember, balance is key. Oats are fantastic, but they're not the cure-all for every health woe. So, the good and the bad effects of eating oats? It's clear that the scales tip heavily towards the good side. Remember, oats can be your heart's buddy, your gut's ally, your blood sugar's pal, and your weight's chum. But don't forget to tread lightly on the oats path, mindful of gluten, phytic acid, and goitrogens. Thank you for joining us on this oat venture. If you found this video informative, please hit the thumbs up button right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more nutritious nuggets. This is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.